Navya. Today I am going to teach you how to make pizza. It's not made by maida, it's made by suji. This is the tomato sauce, this is the corn, this is the capsicum, this is the paneer, this is the seed that we put in there. Now, this is how much sauce we are going to take this sauce we are going to put it on it. We need little more sauce. Because it's less. It's looking yummy, like a penguin yummy. Now we're done with the tomato sauce on the pizza. Now we're going to take some corn. I know. It's yummy. Now we'll put some yummy capsicum. And my mom and dad will eat this. And me. Here's our latest chef. Chef Ojaswi is here. Keep joined. Come on. This is our little chef. He will eat it. Naughty. Eat it, naughty. Here, let's make yummy move. Pizza is yummy, tasty, going on. It's so funny. We have to not use cheese. We can use this paneer on the pizza. It will become more healthy. Let's keep going on the paneer shelf. Now we are going to put some